O Mandarin, sun-captured sphere, born of earth, born of fire, you sit upon the table, half veiled, half revealed, a secret of the orchid undone. Your skin, a fragile armor of amber and gold, spiced with the scent of summer winds, clings tightly to the body, yet surrenders as fingers peel away your luminous secrets. What hand shaped you, Mandarin? What branch cradled your fiery flesh? What cloud drank the water that kissed your roots? Your story, like your taste, lingers sweet and sour, a song that cannot be spoken. Inside your flesh glimmers a cathedral of translucent pulp, lit from within by the memory of 1,000 suns, each segment a tiny chalice filled with nectar that hums the language of bees. How perfect you are, Mandarin, in your imperfection, your skin puckered, your body tender, your scent escaping, like the breath of earth itself. Oh, how the light finds you, how it dances on the curve of your flesh, how it clings to the pale white threads that once tied you to your skin. You are both wound and balm, a tiny sun spilling its rays onto my hands. I see you, Mandarin, the cosmos, your seeds, stars, your juice, the rivers of time, the peeling of your skin, an unmaking of worlds, a return to the simplest of truths. Half peeled, you wait, exposed, a lover's body, paused between offering and retreat. In your tenderness, there is boldness. In your fragility, strength. The knife is unneeded here, Mandarin. Only touch, only care, only the patient hand that knows the worth of small things. For you are no feast, you are a meditation, a prayer of taste and color. As I look at you, half veiled, half revealed, I think of what it means to be human, to carry sweetness beneath the rind, to peel ourselves open and risk the light. Oh Mandarin, you are no mere fruit, you are a revelation, a burst of life, the hymn sung in the language of the sun. And when I paint you, I paint the world.